our main intention is not to go back and
So, sorry to interrupt. Could you please start the recording?
yeah, I did. Ritika, I did.
Yes.
Yes. So the thing is, this is just a very simple program, and we are least bothered about the program, but we are more concerned about how you are going to deploy it over the cloud. So you can see in this example the basic syntax for PHP. We will open the head, we'll close the head. Then we will define few variables here, which will definitely take some inputs, and with the help of a switch case, we can perform the operation. So for example, the case 1 is addition, the case 2 is subtraction, the case 3 is multiplication, the case 4 is divide. Okay, here what we do, we'll create a kind of a message, we'll give a heading pertaining to what we have to do. So we'll say PHP simple calculator program. So what we'll do, we'll take inputs also, input type number, name first, then, and what are the operations that need to be performed likewise. And you can see this is the calculator. So you will see text box, first number, second number. So if you click on the add, you will get addition. If you click on the subtract, you will get subtraction. If you click on the multiply, you will get multiplication. And if you click on the divide, you will get divide, like that. It's very simple.
What do you mean by a cluster? So what does a cluster mean in IBM Linux?
Cluster is nothing but it's a kind of a system which incorporates common, or it identifies common subsystems. Like we can have a cluster of virtual machine, we can have a cluster of resources, like that it is.
So why do we need a cluster? Why can't we just work in a virtual environment? I don't understand.
No, cluster will help you to get a better performance.
Oh, okay. Cluster means like a cluster of virtual machines.
Yes,
Means many
yes,
systems.
yes.
IBM offers different types of clusters. There's one classic, and then there's VPC, something like that.
Right.
One is like a. It depends upon performance. Like, does it?
It increases the performance.
So which will be good for running PHP? Like,
Means
means which type of cluster? Like, is the classic fine, or do you
classic
need the?
no, classic will be okay.
Okay, and when is the other option used for?
Uh,
The customizable software and the other cluster, the
okay.
infrastructure. Yeah.
Depending on the application and type, Dell.
Okay. Okay.
See, you might have seen now that we have gone through the example for PHP. So likewise, you can have several examples. It's working now. Okay. See, and you are not limited to do with PHP. There are other programming languages also. The only thing is that you need to figure out. In the last to last class, maybe we had a discussion on that. You can see my screen also now. Just a minute, I need to reset my account. All of you, have you logged into your IBM account? I want you to log into your IBM account.
Yes, sir.
Have you logged into your IBM? I want you to log into your account.
So
Yes.
my website is up and running. I have posted the link in the chat box.
Okay, very nice. Just a minute, I'll check it. Very nice, Akash. Very nice. Happy to see that. Everyone can check what website Akash has uploaded. He has used the sample calculator code, and that particular code he has used for deploying it over the.
The code was like I initially coded, but then I had some issues with it, so then I copied it from GitHub. But
Yeah, it's a sample code.
but it's running. So this one was running. That the earlier ones I actually did 2-3 deployments before this, but I had some issue with it, so then I had to do it.
Okay. No, the code is not a problem. See, the main intention is to learn like what and how we can actually upload. I am just presenting it to everyone. See, this is what actually the space, the cloud storage space that Akash got from IBM Bluemix. So what he did, he used this place and he uploaded his entire application. See, his application is running now, and he can we can perform various operations also. 8 minus 3 to calculate. So the operations are also working, and he has also given a good kind of a line to it, saying that this code was actually deployed by him. So the main intention is how you interact with the cloud. Our intention is to learn how we can interact to cloud. So likewise, I
But
want.
sir, for me, it's like you need to add PHP, myadmin, and create a cluster and all that stuff.
No, not required, Dave. I'll show you just a minute.
So mine is also up. I've pasted the link on the chat.
Okay, nice. Dave, just a minute. You are getting a little confusion here. I'll share a link with you. You just go to that particular tutorial. See, this is my dashboard, Dave, and what you can do, you just have to go here. After login, you just have to go to Cloud Foundry. Dave, can you see the screen?
For me, yes.
Yes. See, Dave, you have to go to Cloud Foundry. Under Cloud Foundry, what kind of application you have to create? So you select PHP. Here you can create the application, and for doc, I'll click here and I'll show you the docs. See, this is the proper documentation by which you can do it. So there is no requirement of cluster formation or anything.
Okay, I'll try that.
Yes. We have one more from Satvik. So Satvik has also created an app. We'll check it. This is the application that has been created by Satvik. So you can see it's a unique URL, and I can have 6, I can have 8, I can perform plus and calculate. So 14. Good. Good, Satvik. Good work. Then we have Ahmed's PHP program, but his PHP program is, he's saying that his PHP program is not giving result. So let us say 5 method not allowed. So Ahmed, this is something which is related to your PHP application. Your deployment work is done successfully.
Means there's an error in the code when the method is not allowed.
For whom you are saying then?
Means in that case, in your same case, which you took.
No. For my link, this link you are going?
No. The one that the link. Yeah, Ahmed said that one. That link.
Yeah, that link, why it is not working? Because there is an issue with the PHP program. So he need to correct the PHP program. Ahmed, you can try deploying some other PHP program, or you can just reconfigure your PHP program. I want everyone to deploy a similar kind of application what Akash did. Palak, what is the status?
So,
Yes,
so we'll also need a server to run the program, right?
for PHP, right? But here you don't need to actually. Here you can deploy directly on the server itself, IBM Bluemix. For testing purpose you require, but for this you don't require actually. Directly you can deploy. Steps and video tutorial I have already given in the last class. Steps and video tutorial I have already given in the last class.
So could you paste the links again?
You just go to chat, back again for that particular date. You can see all the, just scroll up the chats for the last 2-3 classes. I can post the video tutorial link once again.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm lagging a bit behind, so I'll catch up catch up with the meetings, recorded meetings.
Why you are lagging in Palak?
So actually, I missed last 3 to 4 classes. So that's why.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, who was asking for this links?
Sir, so it's me, Ritik.
Ritik, yes, Ritik and Palak. You just go through this particular tutorial
Yes, sir. Thank you.
for app deployment. It will be give you a step by step outline how to deploy app. After login, what are the process need to be done?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes. And Dell, it is for you also. What about the other people? What about Devraj? Janvi? Janvi Mishra? Jatin?
Yes, sir. So it's working, but I wrote it in Python.
Okay. So have you deployed it on the cloud?
Uh, no, no, sir.
Okay. You can use this particular video tutorial link to check the last time that we had a discussion on the steps. And then
Yes.
I want the deployment link from everyone. We have to finish this activity today. In
Okay,
the
sir.
yes, everyone like post lunch session also we will
So I'm
continue.
not able to create an app.
Why?
Saying you have, I like I have to upgrade my account and something like that. Like
Not.
because they're asking to select a location and they have given
Can you
some
able to see?
pricing plan.
Can you able to share your screen, Dell?
Yes. I don't have the permissions right now, but
Okay.
yeah, I can.
Where you have got stuck? Tell me.
I've got stuck in the Create a Cloud Foundry sample app,
Okay.
PHP. Like,
What you do? I have shared a video link here. You open that
yeah.
link. You see first steps, and then you perform this in the same way.
Okay. Yeah.
Check the latest link that I have shared. Currently only 3 students completed it. I want everyone to complete it. Please let me know wherever you are getting doubts and difficulty. Please let me know. Wherever you feel doubts and difficulty, please let me know. Please let me know if you are getting difficulty in deploying apps.
Sir,
Yeah, Amit. Yes.
can I share my screen, sir? I have some problem here.
Yeah, Amit. You can share. Let me just give you the presenter, right? Yes. Now you are a presenter. You can present.